Go.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to part 3 of the Bugmark study. I'd like to once again thank everyone for sticking with us and participating in this 3-part study. You've given us some really great data and great feedback, and this will help us improve our project going into the future. Sorry for the delay in the start of this part 3 of the Bugmark study. Thank you for your patience as we worked out the kinks in our experiment design. So here is a roadmap of the study. So we've completed the worker exercise and we've completed the funder exercise. What we're about to start this week is the trader exercise. The trader exercise actually builds on top of the funder exercise by layering an additional layer of complexity on top of the funder exercise. We've kept all the features from the funder exercise and we've added basically one new feature, which is introducing the trader role. For more details on previous exercises, I encourage you to go and look at those training videos again. But nonetheless, here's a quick recap. So the next few slides are going to show you all the things that remain the same from the funder exercise. So again, we have that all contracts have the same payout of 20 tokens. Tokens are virtual money used on Bugmark, and the exchange rate with US dollars is $1 equals 10 tokens. The final total earnings that you have earned through all 3 exercises will be paid out in the form of Amazon gift cards at the end of the study. Login, username, and GitHub usage remain the same as in previous exercises. As before, every participant will receive a seed money of 200 tokens that they can use to pay for offers. Any unused seed money is deducted as penalty for underactivity. All participants must fund at least 5 issues in order to kickstart the exercise and be allowed to work on issues. And the contract payout of 20 tokens consists of a funder cost of 10 tokens and a worker cost of 10 tokens. Funders are also awarded 15 tokens every time they successfully fund an issue. Money earned can be reinvested to pay for funding or working on more issues, and we also allow multiple contracts on the same issue, provided that these different contracts on the same issue are from different funders. We limit the number of multiple contracts on the same issue to 3 per issue. A user cannot take both sides of a contract, so you cannot fund and work on the same issue, and maturation is always set to midnight Eastern time of the same day that the offer is made. And now we come to the part that's new. So in the trader exercise, we have now 3 roles: worker role, funder role, and trader role. So what is this trader role? In order for me to explain to you what that is, I need to first describe a new type of task that we are introducing in this exercise. We call this task word quest, and here's how it works. So word quest requires 2 separate code words in order to solve. So word quest issues, in order to solve word quest issues, you need 2 separate code words. The code words are assigned to 1 or more users at random, and these 2 code words must be combined to obtain the solution. So how do you do that? Well, you must use the market mechanism to share information, obtain or elicit information from other participants in the market, and then combine the code words. The new feature in the trader exercise, which will enable you to do this, is reselling your side of a contract, possibly after partial work. So what do we mean by this? If you cannot solve your issue or you don't want to solve your issue, then you can resell your fixed position to someone who can. And by doing this, you can earn money for having done partial work. In a resale, you get to choose the price for the resale. And the other thing that this enables you to do is that you can also accept other participants' resale offers to fix issues and earn money. All participants are required to resell at least once. So this reselling feature is the trading part of the exercise, and it's really best described by the demo. So without further ado, we'll start the demo. And here is the Bugmark trader exercise website. So on this website, you are familiar with this website, it has the same format as before. There's a lot of information. You can click on learn about this exercise, and also on these, these steps: log in, fund offers, accept an offer, trade positions, resolve issues, earn credits. There are help pages, and there are ways for you to contact us either by email or on Slack, and there's background information. So let me log in. Here's my email address, and I use my password. So I'm logged in. And once again, I have to click here to agree to the University of Nebraska consent form, which I do. And now I'm in. I'm going to click on my accounts page just to check out what I have. So I do have the seed balance of 200 tokens. And I've been put on a funding hold because I have not yet funded 5 offers. So let me do that. My username is Malvikar, and I'm not going to change it, but you can. So let's go to the issues page, and I'm going to fund 5 offers. I'll fund this. I'll fund that. Fund this. Now I've funded 4 out of 5, and I'm going to fund 1 more. Okay, all good. I funded 5 issues, and now I can work. And so what I'd like to do is I'd like to tackle a word quest task. So let me see. I'm going to try one of these. So here, this is a word quest task, and you can see that there's information over here in the issue body. It says, resolving the issue requires 2 separate code words. There are 2 code words associated with this issue, each assigned to 1 or more random users, and they must be combined to generate a solution. Now, here's a link, view word quest 41476F, to see if you have a code word for this issue, and also to combine the code words, if you have both of them, and generate the solution. So let me see. Before I accept this offer, I just want to know, do I have a code word? It turns out I do. I have a code word. I have Frisians. That's my code word. I don't have the second code word. So I'm going to go back to the issue, and I will accept an offer. So I've accepted this offer, but I don't have the second code word. Possibly somebody else in the marketplace has it, and I'd like to earn some money nonetheless. I cannot solve this on my own. I'd like to earn money by doing some partial work and reselling my site. So just to verify my code word, it's Frisians, and I'm going to go to the GitHub issue now. And I'll contribute my code word. Frisians. So I've contributed my code word. And now that I've done that, I think I will resell. So here's how you resell. You click on under worker, you see your username, you click on it and create an offer to sell your position. You purchased a position for 10 tokens, and how much this allows you to set the price for resale. And I do want to make a profit, but at the same time, I know that all contracts pay out 20 tokens. So whoever is going to buy from me might, I might provide a better incentive for them to buy from me if I also allow them a small margin of profit. So How about I resell for 16? I create my resale offer, and now this issue page has been updated to say under worker, Malvikar is reselling this position. There's a little greater than sign here that indicates that this is a resell. Okay, so now I'm interested in whether I can earn money by accepting someone else's resell. So let me see. Let's try this. Okay, so it turns out that issue 911 has a resell. The funder is Flash and the worker is Grendel, who's deciding to sell his position. So let me see if it's worth it for me to buy. I need to have a code word. I do. My code word is construe. And however, I'd like to know if Grendel has a code word himself and whether he has made that available. Oh, here it is. Grendel's code word is rhetoric. Okay. That's an interesting word. So I'm going to enter Grendel's code word, view the solution, which is bursting. Okay. So then I will accept this offer. And now that I've accepted the offer and I have the solution, I can just put it into the issue. Okay, so I should get paid out then at maturation because I have contributed the issue solution. And that's really it. I'll take a quick look at my account information. I've invested some tokens, 70 tokens. So now my underactivity penalty is down to minus 130. And this will get updated after midnight when I get paid. So that's really it for the trader exercise. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I'll just ask Andy and Georg if they have anything to say.
I have two things that I would like to add.
Mm-hmm.
One is if you have a contract on an issue and you are on the worker side and the issue is correct and fixed, you get paid out, and it doesn't matter whether you provided the solution or someone else provided the solution. You get paid out for the event that the issue was accepted by one of us as correct with the correct solution. And that is true for all issues. The other thing that I want to mention is during the slides, we're talking about fixed positions. Those are the workers, because the worker gets paid out when the issue is fixed. And that I just wanted to clarify those two things.
Okay, so thank you everyone, and we hope you enjoy trading.